If you manage a website or WordPress site on Namecheap, knowing how to back up and restore your database is one of the most important skills you can learn. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it from Namecheap CPanel, step by step, so you can protect your data, create a safe backup, and restore everything if something goes wrong. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical web hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. Once you're signed in, look for your hosting list. This is where all of your active hosting services are shown. Click on Hosting List to continue. Next, find the hosting account you want to work with and click Go to CPanel. This will open the control panel for your hosting account where you can manage files, emails, domains, and databases. Now that you're inside CPanel, scroll down until you find the Databases section. In this section, click phpMyAdmin is the tool that lets you manage MySQL databases directly from your browser. If your goal is to back up the database, once phpMyAdmin opens, make sure you're in the correct database environment. Then click on Export. This is the option that lets you download a copy of your database. On the export screen, select the format you want to use. In most cases, the default SQL format is the best choice because it's the standard format for database backups and restorations. After selecting the format, click Export to download the file to your computer. This backup file is very important because it contains the structure and data of your database. Save it somewhere secure so you can restore it later if needed. Now let's talk about restoring the database. If you ever need to bring your database back, go back into phpMyAdmin through Namecheap CPanel and open the database management area again. This time, click on Import. The import feature is what you use when you already have a backup file and want to upload it back into the database. Next, click Choose File and select the backup file from your computer. Make sure you pick the correct SQL file, especially if you have multiple backups saved. Once the file is selected, scroll down. At the bottom of the page, click Import. phpMyAdmin will now upload the file and restore your database content. After the import finishes, your database should be restored. If you're working on a WordPress site, this can bring back posts, settings, or other stored data depending on the backup you imported. A quick tip: always make a fresh backup before restoring anything. That way, if something goes wrong, you still have a recent copy to return to. Also, double check that you are exporting and importing the correct database, especially if you host multiple websites. And that's it. You now know how to back up and restore a database from Namecheap CPanel using phpMyAdmin. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another hosting tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.